Welcome everyone! In our previous video, we discussed the possibilities to earn passive income as an IPTV reseller. I hope you were thrilled. Today, we'll show you an automation tool for IPTV server panel like XTREAM UI and XTREAM Code. We'll like you to be among the first people to get notified whenever we release a new video. So please subscribe and swipe the notification bell. Are you bored of manually sending email notifications to your customers? This automation panel can help your subscribers with ease. Uses of this automation panel. Let's look at the main functions of this automation panel. Automation delivery system. Send well-formatted emails and reminders to your customers in a single click. Manage your email delivery system with less effort. Get your clients' attention and serve them better with the automation email sending system. Customers will receive delivery immediately and don't open dispute against payment transactions. Bypass reCAPTCHA. Easy and smooth access between IPTV automation and server panels. Enjoy our unique Google CAPTCHA bypass function. Unlike other services out there, this automation panel bypasses CAPTCHA, allowing straightforward access between the server and automation panels. Schedule and send renew subscription email in a single click. Users can schedule and send renew subscription emails. For example, send renew email on 2021 August 12th at 7 o'clock to customers, which expires from 10 days before to 5 days after. Resellers can send renew email to over 10,000 plus customers in one click without opening a campaign in MailChimp. Saving credit trick. Increase ROI and credit savings. Maximizing profits and reducing losses is essential for any successful business. IPTV service resellers can save up to 20% credit with this automation panel. Integrates with WordPress, WooCommerce, WHMCS, and other websites. When you get the right tools on your website, everything becomes easier. Automation panel seamlessly integrates with your website, making you a step closer to getting excellent success in sales and customer satisfaction. Manage users' subscriptions and billings. No payment disputes. The automation panel takes away the burden of manually managing user subscriptions and billings. It reduces incidences of payment disputes and ensures customers receive the exact billing they ordered. Customers will receive delivery immediately and don't open dispute against payment transactions. Benefits of using this automation panel. Ease of managing subscriber accounts. Under regular IPTV panels, resellers registered users manually, clicking Add Users, filling in the client's login details, and selecting the package. They had to manually record and process user data, a pretty tedious task. Our automation panel makes the job a lot easier. You can manage users, billing, and subscriptions automatically. Faster business growth. Since the burden of manually managing user data is no more, resellers and providers can easily grow their business and expand their customer base. So this panel will help your business to grow rapidly. No restriction between automation and server panel. Other automation services lack the Google CAPTCHA bypass function. That means the solutions fail when CAPTCHA is integrated into the server panel. This automation panel bypasses CAPTCHA, allowing straightforward access between the server and automation panels. How does the system work? When it comes to automation for IPTV server panels, we get it all worked out. Let's learn how to use this service. Auto IPTV panel receives cell event from WordPress, WHMCS, and other websites. Then Auto IPTV panel will go to Service Panel, XTREAM UI, XTREAM Code, and any IPTV server panels, and register or extend user subscription. It will bypass CAPTCHA if there is one login. Update on Auto IPTV panel. Send delivery email. Automation panel interface and how to use it. Eager to see how to use this automation look? Let's find out. First, click on the left corner of the page is Dashboard, Manual Delivery, Manual Panel, Send Subscription, Insert Unsub, History, Orders, Trials, and Unsubs, Dashboard. The dashboard displays sales progress, recent users, delivery panel. The work starts when the customer makes payment on our IPTV reseller website. Here, the system will generate the username, password, and account expiry date. Then, the panel will forward the delivery email to the client. If the customer didn't receive the mail, the supporter would go to the manual delivery section of the panel to enter the client's data and resend the email. Clicking the color buttons sends an actual delivery email, while the buttons under sends a clear email. Manual panel, only for admin. Send subscription. It allows you to send renewal emails to expired customers. Insert unsub. If the customer desires to unscribe from the emails, the supporter will add such email here. Orders shows the data of active subscribers. Trials displays information of customers on a trial account. Unsubs lets you see customers that unsubscribed from the email delivery service. This automation panel is easy to use and an excellent choice for any IPTV provider and reseller. Thanks for watching.